How to delete WhatsApp contact permanently. So first is you have to go to your WhatsApp application and it will lead you here to your chat section directly. Now, to delete a contact, a specific contact there, so all you have to do is to tap on that contact and just open your conversation, and then on the upper right you will see the three dots there. Just tap on that and directly go to view contact. Now here are all the information about that contact, the person's name, number, all the media links and docs that you have shared together, and many more. Now, again, on the upper right, you will see the three dots there. You tap on that and click on View in Address Book. Now, it will actually go to your contacts directly, and all you have to do is to delete that contact. So, tap on Delete and then just confirm. Now here, it will look like this. So there's no information about that person. You only have the number. So you have to go back again here and just tap in more. Now here, you will have to clear the chat and then confirm to clear chat. And next is to block the person. So tap on block. Then here, now you have successfully blocked the person. So the next thing is to delete the chat. So you just long press and then tap on the garbage or the bin in there and then delete chat. So basically that is how you delete WhatsApp contact permanently. So basically that is how you delete WhatsApp contact permanently. And if it doesn't work, make sure to check if you have updated your WhatsApp application to your Play Store. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.